that hasn't...
Hey, motherfuckers. Look at all this fucking bullshit.
Yes, very serious.
Fuck.
You are so swell, double low power mom.
Oh, control the narrative. Oh, control it. Control the narrative. Oh.
Ugh.
Fuck yeah, of course. Yourself. Yum. Blood. Fuck you. Oh, the fucking, the...
Keep saying that. I'm fun.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
She wants to take all my lovely money. I don't think we need to move up, but it's a...
Asshole.
You want to smoke my J?
Oh, hardy, diddy hard. Oh, poor Kendall. Who fucking who? Usually, unknown.
I'm Kendall, and I'm a sassy little bitch.
Hey, what up, sex pot?
Oh, you don't know.
Right.
Good napkins and chit chat. Ooh, race relations. Kale.
Hey, manly hunching. Manly hunching.
Bingo, bango, bongo.
Thank you, Jimmy.
You're gonna see him boning. You're gonna see him boning. Nothing, Mum.
What up, pricklicks? It's me, Dr. Moron. I'm a ding-dong doodle-bug dipshit with a tit-mouse dick, and my dad hates all of you. Fucky go bye-bye.
Hey, how are you? Loud.
You little blonde goblin.
Hey.
What's up with Dipper? Oh, my mommy got sent to the booby hatch, and now I'm sad.
Hello.
Oh, what do you all do? Go see the salad.
We're all pals here. Let's have a discussion. You claim to be real, but look at you. Look at you.